Today is the 11th of June 2021. Here's Melkonkuja and Melkonkuja, 8 stick speed. We also have to go to the stick say. Requesting safe 4 persons or 325 minutes. Amazing. Original ValmetSchlieren from it was built in 1976 with an extra mirror here. Only 45 years old this year, and 2021 was going to be inspected again. And the serial number is VS 4809. This is Vattoniemi Halones, a part of Lauttasaari, Tromsø in Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland.
Is tittaakin vain don't maintained by Otis on nowadays gratis.
Bad maintenance.
Yeah.
Now back to the ground floor. Too bad it's without memory.
Yeah.
Could have been with memory as well as a floor indicator outside.
Yeah.
Then it would have been complete. But this is still amazing. But
Yeah.
and thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircase.
That's